Average velocity. So what is the average velocity? Average velocity equal to total displacement by total time taken. So given for one examples, if a car moving for off initially east side for the 5 kilometer, okay, so the east side is moving for off 5 kilometer. After you taken for the U-turn and travel another of 7 kilometer, okay, if you calculate then average velocity of the car, okay, so if you average velocity, the formula total displacement divided by time taken. If given for one instruction, the taking the direction due to the east of point, if you own with a positive, okay, the moving the initially object moving for of east side, if you taken for a positive, okay, after you taken off u-turn, if moving in opposite direction you taken off minus. So if you substitute the value, if initial value and final value, initial position and final position, 5 minus 7 divided by time taken 0.2, okay, so 5 minus 7 minus 2 divided by 0.2, okay, so if your denominator and numerator if you multiply then 10, then value of 20 by 2, then result is 10. So minus 10 kilometer per hour. If you already know kilometer, 1 kilometer per hour is mean 5 by 18. So if you substitute the same value, minus 10 into 5 by 18, okay, so if you're cancelling the value, the two 5 times, okay, the 5 times, this is a 9 time, okay, so 5 into 5 25 divided by 9, so if you're cancelling value minus 0.28 meter by second, okay, and if you then triangle method can be helping to recall the relation between velocity, displacement and time, okay, correct only, okay, so if you initially you know the formula, if you initially you know the formula is mean velocity equal to v by d by t is mean of displacement in time taken. If you suppose you know you know the time value is mean the formula is changes, t equal to d by v, correct. Suppose if you need the value of d value is mean is a t the moving of here, so if you v into t equal to d, okay, so if you measure formula, if you v equal to d into t, and if you table if you need for of time value d by v, if you need for of displacement value v into t, okay, and next if you are answering the following question, okay, so first one, calculate the velocity, calculate the velocity of car traveling with uniform velocity covering the 100-meter distance per 4 second, correct. Velocity of the car traveling the uniform velocity, if we cover the distance of value 100 meter and this time is 4 second, if we calculate the velocity of value, okay, so the first question, um, if you first question, okay, so moving the car, moving the moving the car, if you 100 meter, the time is 4 second, okay, so if you calculate the velocity, um, then d value 100 meter and t value 4 second, you know the formula v equal to d by t, and substitute the value, d value 100 and t value is 4, if you cancelling the value, okay, 1 4s are 4, 25 4s are 100, so v equal to 25 by meter by second, that is the velocity of value. And if you second formula, second question, Usain Bolt covered the 100-meter distance in 9.58 seconds. Calculate speed. Who will be winner if Usain Bolt complete with a CTAC running at the 30 meter second bus? Okay, so if a comparing of the two values, the who's the best, if also if you calculate here, now the distance is a d equal to 100 meter, is taken of time value 9.58, if you taken of whole value 10, okay, so if a time value 10 second, if you initially if you calculate the speed value, the speed equal distance by time, already you know the formula, so speed value, the distance is 100, the time value is 10, okay, if you cancelling value of if you cancelling value of 10 meter second inverse, okay, if a 10 meter second inverse for the Usain Bolt cover the 100 meter for the distance, okay, but if a cheetah moving the speed is 30 meter second inverse, okay, so if a 30 meter second is mean who is what is the question is asking here, so who will be then winner, okay, so comparing of Usain Bolt and cheetah, Okay, so who is the winner? The cheetah only the winner, because if you for second of 30 kilometer, if for second of 10 kilometer, okay, so 10 meter second was and 30 meter second was, so if you a winner for of cheetah only, correct. If you then third question, you are walking along the east, covering a distance of 4 meter, okay, and then if you then 2 meter towards south, okay, then 4 meter towards west, and then last 2 meter if you towards the north, okay, you cover them a total distance of 21 second. What is your average speed and average velocity? Okay, so average speed and average velocity. Okay, another question. You will clearly explain. The person initially moving for of each side of 4 kilometer, and if moving of south side is 2 kilometer, is again is moving of west side is 4 kilometer, and again is moving for north side is 2 kilometer. Okay, so if you calculate the average speed and average velocity. Okay, so average speed and average velocity. What is the speed? If what is the speed is mean if a distance by time taken, correct. So the total distance covered by the object, total distance covered by the object is mean 4242. Okay, the 12 meters cover the object total distance. Okay, and then time value is 24 second. So if your formula, speed equal to 12 by 4. Okay, total of length, total of distance, and time value. If your result is 1 by 2, if your speed of value 0.5 meter second plus, okay, then average speed value. And average velocity value, an average velocity value if we taken off the two value, east of side 4 meter and south of side is 2 meter. Okay, so if we value of 4 meter and 2 meter, so if you then 2 minus 4 divided by 24, so minus 2 by 24 minus 2 1, if you cancelling the value, minus 1 by 12, minus 1 by 2 will wait the value of 0.083 of kilometer per hour. If you same, if you kilometer hour subject the value, um, 5 by 18, so the cancel, if you are cancelling the value, so if you multiply the value of 0.083 into 5, 0.415 by 18, so if you v value 0.023 of meter second inverse, if you average velocity of value. Okay, so today they discuss the for the topic velocity and type of velocity. Okay, and some example sums also. Okay, see the detail later for the next class.